I just realized the best way to get successful is to fail more. Boss Ramen, bakit fail more? Hindi ba dapat kailangan maging successful ka para maging successful? Blah, blah, blah. Yes, but the best way to build character, mahanap mo yung right niche para sa'yo, mapunta ka sa dapat mong kailangan mong puntahan is to fail. And I realized this because hindi pa ako nag-fail ng madaming beses. Nabibilang ko pa sa kamay ko yung kung kailan ako nag-fail, which is okay lang, but it's just mean that I have not been trying more. And then yung na-realize ko, I'm not trying more, kaya hindi ako nag-fail kasi I'm just playing safe. I'm just here, chilling, content, trade, blah, blah, blah. But I'm not trying to do more. And if I want or you want to live a fulfilling life, you want to help other people, you want to be generous, you need to do more to give more. Diba? And again, yung meaning of failure is not na talunan ka. Again, sabi nga nila, talo ka lang, pero di ka talunan. And being able to fail is just a learning curve sa buhay natin. Ang dami ka na nakausap, boss Ramen, I'm a failure, blah, blah, blah. Sabi, sa isip-isip ko, sinasabi ko lagi sa kanila, nagiging failure ka lang pag namatay ka na. Again, sabi nga, I forgot si John Cena ba to or si Kevin Hart, the sun rise again. Diba? Umikot yung mundo. Pagtapos ng araw, umuulan. Diba? Sobrang daming motivation about overcoming failure. But if hindi mo siya ilalagay or engrave sa utak mo na okay lang mag-fail, na kailangan mo mag-fail para maging successful, kailangan mo maging broke muna para maging mayaman, kailangan mo na mag-start sa 0 bago magpunta sa 1, then wala, mag-stay ka lang dyan sa cocoon mo, sa bago ka maging butterfly na maganda. And sabi nga nila sa isang quote na napanood ko is, act as if it is impossible to fail. Sabi yun ni Dorothy, I forgot, correct me if I'm known. And after ko marinig yun, parang, what if hindi tayo nag-fail? Like, what if wala sa mindset natin mag-fail, and kahit mag-fail tayo, lalaban pa rin tayo. Kasi wala sa atin yun eh. Hindi nag-exist yung word na yun. So, mangyayari is you're gonna try. You're gonna take action. Kahit mag-fail ka dito, hindi siya failure eh. Kumbaga, it's just another problem and obstacles na kailangan mong daanan. Kaya meron book na Obstacle is the Way. Since the Stoic philosophy, we don't avoid obstacles. We go through it. Obstacles will make you or hone you kung sino ka. Of course, if nakita ka ng mga maraming kutsilyo dyan na padaan or kung anong obstacle na logically speaking na kailangan mo iwasan, then iwasan mo. Pero kunwari, meron kang problem sa business, meron kang problem sa sarili mo na kailangan mo i-overcome, you need to work on it. Malungkot ka, mahina ka, wala kang masculinity sa katawan mo, or kung ano man, you need to go towards it. Kasi the more you walk away from it, the more you avoid yung kailangan mong gawin. Kunwari, kailangan mo mag-workout, kailangan mo maging malakas, kailangan mo maging more physically fit, and the more you walk away from it, the more na it will take a toll on you, and yung obstacle na yon ay yun yung hahabol sa'yo. Gets? If you go away from being healthy, habulin ka ng sickness. If you go away from being financially free, then habulin ka ng pagiging broke. It's a simple logic na hindi naiisip na iba, and I want you to realize it, that obstacle is the only way. Sabi nga ni Marcus Aurelius, what comes in a way becomes the way. Stoicism. So, ay isa sa gusto kong pag-usapan today about failure, about trying. And one person na naisip ko about failure is si Thomas Edison. If hindi nyo kilala si Thomas Edison, he's a scientist that invented light bulb. And bago niya makuha yung light bulb, nag-fail siya for over 1,000 times. Sabi nila mas marami pa. I forgot, di naman ako fact checker or something, trivia gods. Let's say 500 times na lang, kunwari lang, hindi yun yung exact number. Pero 1,000 times or 500 times is still 500 times or 1,000 times. Sobrang dami po nun. So, if you're gonna look at your past, I want you to look at your past mistakes or failures and ask yourself, ilang beses mo na ba siya ginawa or ilang beses ka na ba nag-try? If you want to start content creation, ilang beses ka na ba nag-post bago may nag-trending na isa? Naka 1,000 videos ka na ba? I'm sure sa 1,000 na videos na yun, na-hone niya yung skill mo, nag-grow na yung account mo, yung editing skill mo, mas naging okay, yung paano ka magsalita sa screen is mas naging okay. And I'm sure may isa dong tatamang isa. Kasi if hindi, then you're not trying enough. You're not evaluating or you're giving up. That's basically it. And kaya ako na-realize na hindi ako nag-feel ng madaming beses pa is, ang daming ko nakakasamang entrepreneurs and lahat sila meron silang story na nag-fail sila. And ako, sobrang onti lang ng story ko na masishare about failure. Ang onti lang. And naiinis ako kasi alam mo sa sarili ko, I can do more, I can try more. And ngayon ko na siya na-realize. Took me, I don't know, 4 years, 3 years. to realize it. And gusto ko rin ma-realize niya siya. Ask yourself, are you even trying sa mga gusto mong gawin, sa gusto mong i-risk? Of course, wag ka rin tanga para mag-risk ka ng pangkain niyo sa bahay or pang-tuition mo or kung ano man. Calculated risk. Anyways, ibang usapan na yung risk management is sa trading niyo yun. So, the more you fail, the more chances you give to yourself to succeed. Again, failure is feedback. And every time you fail, you get closer to your goals. If nag-fail ka sa isang subject, meaning meron kang kulang or mishaps na hindi naaral. If nag-fail ka sa isang business mo, meaning meron kang system or process or tauhan or kung anong product na hindi mo naayos. If nag-fail ka sa content creation, meaning may hindi ka sinunod or may ginawang output na ginawa or something like that. I guess, again, being able to fail will get you close to your goals. Corny, cringy, I don't care. Pero that's the reality. If you're not trying, you're not moving, walang traction. Again, traction is movement. If wala kang movement, wala. You're just distracted. Ang kabaliktaran ng traction, and ginawan ko ito ng video nung, I don't know, last week. So, panoorin nyo lang siya. Sabi nga ni Wayne is, you miss 100% chance or shots that you don't take. I don't know, isa basketball yon, pero narinig ko lang siya, and nakasulat yun dito sa notes ko. Si Wayne Gretzky. Meaning, miss opportunity is miss opportunity. If hindi mo ginawa, you don't take the shot, wala, you miss the shot. Simple as that. If hindi mo kinausap yung crush mo before, hindi mo malalaman kung magiging kayo. If you don't risk something, hindi mo malalaman yung outcome, and kakainin ka lang niya ng buhay hanggang mamatay ka, kasi you will ask yourself, what if trinay ko? What if ganito? Pero ang sagot doon is wala ka na magagawa. Deal with it, move on, and start doing shit, trying shit today. That's it. Stop reminiscing. The past doesn't exist. The future doesn't exist. What you do today is the only thing that is important. Right thing, right now. Yun lang yung nag-exist. Yung time na pinapanood mo to, ito lang yung nangyayari sa mundo. There's no past and future. This is it. And what you do today will ripple out in the future, sabi ni Mark Aurelius. So, kung yung habit na ginagawa mo ngayon, yung execution, yung output na binibigay mo sa universe, and yung marireserve mo sa future. So, wala lang. Simple logic. And also, I think failure is just a illusion lang naman eh. Again, if your mindset is you think that you cannot lose, or if you think that, if you have this mindset na what would you do if it's impossible to fail? Kumbaga, being failure, or yung word the failure is just an illusion, kasi you will be a failure if namatay ka, if yun yung mindset mo. Yun yung mindset ko eh. Failure ako pag namatay ako. So that's why I need to try things more. I need to risk things more, kasi yun na yun eh. If I'm not doing something na natatalo ako or nagkakamali ako, then I'm not trying more. So again, nasa utak lang naman natin talaga lahat. Mukha ako yung ginagaslight na nasa utak niya lang yan. That's self-improvement in a nutshell. Gagaslightin ka niya, and it's up to you to open your mind to accept it na yun yung tama or mali, and to be open to have new perspective sa buhay. And if hindi nyo to ma-accept na failure, di naman illusion yan eh, nangyayari talaga yan, ako nga, then it's on you. I don't really care, hindi naman kita kilala. It's up to you kung magiging growth mindset ka or magiging fixed mindset ka na hanggang dito lang ako, kaya ko na to, or growth mindset na hindi, kaya ko to, kaya ko pa mag-grow, kaya mag-upgrade. Hindi lang to yung life na deserve ko. Mas marami pa akong kayang ibuga or ma-reach na potential, di ba? In the end, sabi nga ni Earl Nightingale, one of my favorite quote, lagi ko itong sinasabi sa lahat. And ito rin yung last quote na sinabi niya sa book niya is, start today, you have nothing to lose but a whole life to win. Again, start today, ngayon, you have nothing to lose. Wala mawawala sa'yo, and pwede ka manalo for your whole life. Since, again, if you don't start something, then it's nothing. Doesn't count, hindi siya nangyari, wala mangyari. For your homework, yes, may homework kayo ngayong video na to, is start something na gusto mo. Content creation, trading, I don't care. Start it today. Give it 1 hour. Please. 30 minutes na lang. 30 minutes. Comment down below. Comment down below kung ano yung gagawin mo for 30 minutes and kung anong progress na tinake mo. I don't want you to research it. Gusto ko gawin mo na yung action. If gusto mo mag-record ng video, mag-record ka. Start taking action and ayusin mo yung buhay mo, kasi mamamatay rin tayo lahat. Diba? Ako na-nerf na ako. Ilang beses na ako buntikan mamatay. Tapos kayo, marami kayong buff sa buhay, wala kayong sakit, etc. Take advantage nyo. So, use it. Sayang buhay. Anyways, see you guys next video. Love you all. Peace. Bye-bye.